Hi everyone, welcome back to our fun-packed journey into world of AppSheet. As in the previous tutorial, we discussed that our app has become crowded by multiple views. Today we are playing around with some pretty cool stuff. The primary navigation, menu navigation, and something a little fancy called reference views. Let's imagine these as secret doors, hidden stairs, and magical portals in our project management app castle. Excited? Let's get to it. First off, the primary navigation. Think of this as your main castle gate. If it's your app's homepage where you can hop and skip between the main parts of your app like the project list, project details, or the chart views we learned to paint in our last video. Here we have all of the views. These are primary views. We don't have any secondary views yet. We don't have any menu navigation. Picture the menu navigation as hidden stairs or secret rooms for stuff we don't use every day but still we need them around, like maybe a settings room or a little corner about our app castle. Fun, right? Let's move these two charts into our menu navigation. How we can do that? Click on these three dots and click on move to menu navigation. Similarly, let's move status count to menu navigation. Now our app is not crowded. We only have two views. First view shows all the projects that are not started yet. Second view shows a list of all projects, and if we want to see the charts, we have to see the stats. Then we will click on this button and here are our menu navigation. Here are our status count and priority count views. These are in menu navigation section. Finally, we are going to open the magical portals, the reference views. They let you see related stuff without going too far. Like in our project management app, a project detail room could have a magical portal showing all the tasks related to that project. You get all the juicy details without wandering around. The reference views are used. They are views that are not displayed here, that are not displayed on main app, that are not displayed on menu section, but we can see them by some other views. They will be called by some other. For example, if I click on a button, so here I have a view, right? I can customize this view here in reference view so that when I click on this button and a view is called, that view is defined. Similarly, if I click on this high priority, a view is opened here that is defined by AppSheet. If I want to customize it as it is not looking very good aesthetically, it has a lot of parameters, but we cannot see all of those parameters at just one glance. So the better option will be to see the project name only and its priority or its status. How we will achieve that? We will create a new view in reference views, and that view will be used as detail view. That view will not be directly present in our app, but that view will be accessible from some indirect ways. We will go to status, we will go click on completed, and that view will be used here. I hope you got the concept of primary views, primary navigation, menu navigation, and reference. Thanks for joining our fun tour today, and be sure to catch all the other tours in our AppSheet series. It's like collecting all puzzle pieces to see the big picture. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and drop your thoughts in the comment section. See you in the next video.